Hello, I am Ismail, and I am absolutely obsessed with coffee. From rich espresso and smooth pour-overs to bold Turkish coffee, mocha pots, and the classic French press. I created this channel to share this passion with the world and connect with fellow coffee lovers. So, welcome to Pure Coffee Passion. Let's dive into the world of coffee together. In this video, I'll show you an affordable dripper that can brew an amazing cup of filtered coffee. So keep watching, and if you enjoy it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Today we're diving into the world of pour-over coffee with the Timemore Crystal Eye dripper. This little gadget is my go-to making a clean, flavored cup of coffee, and I can't wait to show you how I do it. First thing first, let's set up the Timemore filter. I like to rinse the paper thoroughly. No one wants a papery taste messing up their coffee, right? This quick rinse gives a cleaner, purer cup. Now for the beans. Today I'm using the Timemore C3 grinder. I've got 20 grams of coffee measured out, and I've set the grinder to 13 clicks, because that's what the pros recommend for a pour-over. It's a manual grinder, so yes, I will be working those arm muscles for about 2 minutes, but trust me, it's worth every turn for that fresh flavor. With those 20 grams, I'm aiming for about 380 grams of water. In my opinion, the sweet spot for a balanced, smooth cup with just the right amount of sweetness. I'll be setting up my scale to make sure every step is precise, because good coffee deserves a little extra care. Alright, enough talk, let's get brewing. I'm heating up my cups. Here we have 2 cups, one for the wife and another one for me. Of course, the wife's cup goes first, because we say happy wife, happy life. Each cup will get a perfectly balanced 190 grams of coffee magic. Now let's kick things off with the bloom. I pour 70 grams of water and let it do its things for 30 seconds. Letting all those flavors wake up. For the second pour, I add 155 grams of water and give it another 40 seconds. Finally, third pour, it is about 155 grams again. bringing us to a grand total of 380 milliliters and a brewing time of just about 3 minutes. And here it is, the grand finale of my brewing masterpiece. It's sweet, packed with flavor, and guaranteed to wake you up faster than any alarm clock. Now, that's what I call coffee power. To wrap things up, let me show you my unboxing of the Crystal Eye Dripper from Timemore. I picked this up from AliExpress, and it even came with 10 filters. Plus, I got a great deal on 600 ml carafe from Timemore as well. Quality is excellent for the price. I drop the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching and see you soon.